Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 amazing life hacks that will make your life easier and more efficient. These hacks are tried and tested, and I use them in my everyday life. So, let's get started. Hack number 1, the 10-minute tidy. Do you ever find yourself overwhelmed by the mess in your home? This hack is perfect for you. Set a timer for 10 minutes and clean up as much as you can in that time. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish in just 10 minutes. Hack number 2, the 2-minute rule. Have you ever put off doing something because you thought it would take too long? This hack is for you. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it right away. This will help you stay on top of your to-do list and prevent small tasks from piling up. Hack number 3, the power hour. Do you struggle to stay focused during the day? This hack will help you power through your work. Set aside 1 hour each day where you work on one specific task without any distractions. This will help you stay focused and accomplish more in less time. Hack number 4, the reverse hanger trick. Are you tired of digging through your closet to find something to wear? This hack will help you stay organized. When you hang your clothes back up after wearing them, hang them with the hanger facing the opposite direction. At the end of the season, you'll know which clothes you haven't worn and can donate them to charity. Hack number 5, the 5-minute journal. Do you want to start your day with a positive mindset? This hack will help you do just that. Start each day by writing down 3 things you're grateful for and 3 things you want to accomplish. This will help you start your day on a positive note and give you direction for the day ahead. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found these hacks helpful and that you'll try them out in your own life. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.